People are very connected to trees because, they're out there growing. And this idea of them being rooted to the ground, there's a nice metaphor for our own existence and for human life. So the Harvest to Use program was actually initiated by Chris Weiland, who's my predecessor. He received an external grant that greatly increased the footprint of the woodworking program. It also was used to purchase equipment. And one piece of equipment that was purchased was a portable bandsaw mill. And IUP is still probably one of the only university wood programs in the country that has one of these sawmills that enables us to take trees and mill them into boards. So our students get to make things for themselves, or we also do campus projects that are made from wood that was once growing as trees on the IUP campus. And just to emphasize, we never cut down a tree on campus just for the sake of milling it into lumber. The only trees we mill are trees that have to come down for construction reasons. A tree in the oak grove is diseased and it has to come down for safety reasons. Or occasionally, there have been a couple of times that Mother Nature actually gave us a tree, where one of the oldest oaks in the oak grove blew down a few years ago in a windstorm. The fact that we can do this is unique, but the fact that we here on this campus are doing a little mini version of what the lumber industry started as, that's a pretty special and unique thing for the students to be able to experience.